In this video, I'll go over the 5 steps you need to take to add someone to your Chase account online. So first, just go and log into your Chase account using your username and password. Next, once you are logged in, navigate to the Profile and Settings section. Now look for the option to add an authorized user or joint account holder. Then follow the on-screen instructions to add the individual you want to add to your account. You may need to provide their personal information such as name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Now review and confirm the information you have entered before submitting the request. Please note that adding someone to your Chase account online may vary depending on the type of account you have and Chase's specific policies and procedures. It is recommended to contact Chase customer service for assistance if you encounter any issues or need further guidance. So now you know how to add someone to your Chase account online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.